I know. Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Okay. Kick it, Aaron. Kick it.
I don't even know where we got that.
You're just like,
I think it came here with the house. I don't know.
maybe.
Or my granddad brought it from Raleigh.
Yeah, I don't think she can pass that.
Kobe! Come on, go get the ball. Go get the ball.
And throw it to Will. Oh, wrong way.
I think we should move that branch for Aaron, because I mean it's got.
He saw someone walking on it.
I think that was me. I think we should move that because I mean it's got some pointy parts on it. Nice kick, Will. He's like, hey, my ball! That's a pretty sloppy kiss. He's like, What is that? Oh my gosh. It's an alien thingy. What is it?
Oh.
He looked at it, he's like,
You can do it, Aaron. Go ahead and jump over it. Jump over.
he's like, it's an invisible gateway to. He's poking it. He's like poking.
What do you need? Bubbles?
We accidentally took the railing out of there. I think we're gonna install it back in, because we had to put the couch back in there. That leather couch.
And it couldn't fit it?
Yeah, so we had to take everything. We even had to take the door off. And it just barely fit. And it scraped it.
Thank you, Will.
Hey, can you like look at previous ones?
Yeah.